So today we're learning the alphabets A to Z with picture examples. My little brother is going to start us off with these alphabets. Here we go.
A for apple. B for bed. B for bed. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for frog. G for guitar. H for hat. I for iguana. J for jam.
K for key.
K for key. K for key. L for leaf. N for
M for monkey.
M for monkey. N for 9. O for octopus. P for paint. Q for quilt.
Q for quilt.
Quilt. R for ring. S for sock. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for waist. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you do it with me?
So today we learned all the alphabets A to Z. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.
This is Global Learning for Fun. We hope you enjoy our videos. Thank you for watching our channel. We hope you enjoyed.